What is the craziest thing that you have seen someone do because of love? Let me repeat that. What is the craziest thing that you have seen someone do because of love? Mine is kind of weird and funny at the same time. So there is this couple. Let's call the girlfriend Quinta and the boyfriend, let's call him Ongondo. So apparently, Quinta and Ongondo are dating. They're just a normal couple and everything is going on well. After some time, Ongondo falls out of love and he wants to leave the relationship. So Ongondo decides to give Quinta the signs that hataki relationship iendele. But Quinta is in denial and she doesn't want Ongondo to leave because she loves Ongondo so much. So Ongondo feels like Quinta is so nagging, nini. Si unajua ukitaka kuacha mtu venye tu unaboekanga na yeye. So one day Ongondo decides, let me open up to Quinta, nimwambie roho safi aende, simtaki. Ongondo gathers the courage and calls Quinta. Anamwambia, I don't feel hii relationship kwenye inaenda. So, let's just break up. Tell me why. The girl starts wheezing. Ile ya watu asthmatic, na anaanguka. My friend comes to me, it's around 10 p.m. usiku, We rushed the girl. Kwanza before we rushed the girl to level 4, Theka, tunatafuta inhaler. Up to now, and I think it was kind of scary, tukampulizia hiyo inhaler. For some reason, and doctors in the room niambieni what was the problem. For some reason, kucha zake zikaturn kind of bluish for a moment. Tukimpulizia hiyo inhaler. I don't know why. So si ile na uoga, mmeshtuka everything. We rushed the lady to level 4 hospital, Theka. Kumpeleka hospitali, tell me why the doctor calls Ongondo hapo kando waongee. Anamwambia, all this is fake. The girl is not even asthmatic. Jesus Christ. You mean umetutoa kwa nyumba saa 4, saa 5, saa 6 ikielekea, mpange hospitali line. You know how public hospitals can be sometimes, And it was all fake. Ongondo decides to confront Quinta, amuulize, why would you do that? Quinta anamwambia, it's because hakuwa anataka amuache. Jesus Christ. Up to now, sijui kama waliachana ya kabisa ama they are still dating. That was almost 10 years ago. Dust is constant.